Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix issue the personal hotspot is disabled on this device. So if you go to your settings, here you can see the personal hotspot is disabled. We are not able to enable this one. You can see from the control center also we are not able to turn on this option. So simply let me show you how to fix this issue. Simply go to the mobile service. First of all, we need to turn on the option mobile data. After enable the mobile data, you can see the option personal hotspot here. If you go back on the main settings page also, you can see the option personal hotspot. Tap on this one and from here you can easily enable your personal hotspot. So simply in this way we can fix the issue the personal hotspot is disabled on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.